On March 2026, Hellenoz's architects and creative team are gathered to design an installation to showcase Hellenoz's collection of natural stones for the Arch ID exhibition. Concept-wise, it was clear from the get-go. To combine brutalist, monolithic architecture and desert topology with the luxury nature of the Hellenoz natural stones. Just like how Dune combined brutalism language with ziggurat logic, or how the shadow hit you first on the devastatingly violent Tadao Ando's Church of Light. The installation has to have layers of interpretation if it wants to strike a chord. The installation will have 3 zones that will take the visitors on a journey. From a vast desert landscape that would challenge our solitude, a monolithic presence appears and pulls the visitors into this psychologically compressed space of the threshold. Once they pass through its resonance, a hidden chamber is waiting with its water of life that would share its own stories. Time is at the essence, and also the biggest hurdle. Our leading architects started to choose and collect material from the warehouse. A tough, yet a fun process, due to Hellenoz's vast collection of exquisite marble. And soon enough, marble stones were taking line at the high-tech machinery in the factory. Piece by piece, they all come to life. The Temple of Stone is almost finished, and it won't be complete without lights and sounds. While the lighting is dramatic, the sound is actually subtle, a mix of soundscapes from drones to low bass sound that will give resonance to the atmosphere.
Banyak potensial desain yang bisa dipakai dari material yang di showcase di dalam.
Menarik sih, ada yang dari satu blok gede gitu dipotong langsung jadi ya kayak meja gitulah ya, ada perlapis-lapisannya tapi itu dari satu blok gede, itu menarik sih.
Jujur tadi suka banget sama yang ada di dalam karena imersifnya dapet banget. Terus aku juga suka materialnya kan karena aku suka relate kalau lagi yang desain-desain dan itu relate banget.
Yang menarik sih lebih ke pengalaman sensorinya ya. Soalnya kan banyak kayak main di material, dari tekstur sama tadi juga lantainya ada yang pakai pasir segala macam kan.
Pas di area situ, nah kalau aku lihat tuh jadi kayak siang hari gitu, padahal itu tambahan lighting ya, jadi efeknya kayak even malam juga jadi kayak bagus aja sih gitu, nggak aku temuin di tempat yang lain.